DIY. I'm Ruth, and today we're going to be making a soothing salve. So it's a little bit like a petroleum jelly type of consistency. So it's really good for maybe you're putting on your lips, putting on to some rough skin, children's sort of grazes, bruises, that sort of thing. You do need to be a bit prepared. So I don't know if hopefully you can see this. I'll just run through the ingredients. So we need half a cup of grapeseed oil, half a cup of almond oil, which I bought off the internet. This is Naissance 215, and 2 tablespoons of vitamin E oil, and what else? That's it. Beeswax, grapeseed oil or any other vegetable oil that you have, almond oil, vitamin E oil. You can also substitute it with coconut oil as well. So I have actually already melted some beeswax into my little jar here. So I don't have a bain-marie as such. I'm just using a saucepan with some water in it and a jug. So I bought some beeswax like this and grated it. So it comes in bars, and then I grated it. So I put 2 tablespoons of that in first and melted it. Then I've already put in some grapeseed oil, half a cup. And now I'm going to put in my almond oil. So you have to make sure all the beeswax has melted before you put in the oils. And then keep on stirring. Because it cools it down, the beeswax will want to go solid. So just make sure that it's all evaporated. Then I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of vitamin E oil, which makes it super nourishing and hydrating. Just let that heat up again for a little bit. And then you need to find a glass container. So I'm going to use one of these today, and I'm also going to use, I've got some little tins for lip salve, or you can, so that you can put it in your handbag. So I don't know if you can see that actually. Move it back a bit. Just tilt this a tiny bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to take this off now. This is good to go. So I'm just going to show you. So it's kind of nice and clear. And then I'm just going to pour that very carefully into my container. You need to get a little stirrer, maybe a cocktail stick or one of those wooden kebab sticks are quite good. I couldn't find one of those, so I'm using a lollipop stick. And what we're going to do is just let that cool down for a bit. So if we put the essential oils in here now, then it would, because of the heat, it's going to burn off some of the therapeutic qualities. So we're just going to wait for a bit, and I'm just going to talk through the oils. So you can make any combination you like. I've done a lovely lavender, geranium and frankincense one, which I absolutely love, and I really like it, putting it on my lips, anywhere on my skin. It's really hydrating, especially after the sun. But this recipe that we're showing you today is for a soothing salve. So it's got oils in such as lavender, cypress, frankincense, eucalyptus and tea tree oil, melaleuca. So that's a lot of oil. They're suggesting 5 drops each into this jar, into this measurements. So I'll just run through just briefly the ingredients. So cypress oil, this has been put in here because it's got antiseptic and antibacterial properties. It's also calming and energising and great for cellulite. So that's pretty good. Eucalyptus, it's antibacterial again, insecticidal, disinfectant, and it's good for the skin, and also is good as a repellent. Melaleuca is also antiseptic, antibacterial, so great for cuts and wounds, athlete's foot, candida. It's antifungal, antiviral, decongestant. Also great for cleansing. So melaleuca has to be in this soothing salve for your skin. What else have we got? We've got frankincense. Frankincense is a healing oil anyway, but it's great, as I said, for wrinkles, imperfections on the skin. It's a great healing oil, and also amplifies the benefits of the other oils in this salve. Lavender is soothing, healing, antibacterial, regenerative and cleansing. So that's a great one to have in this soothing salve as well. So all of these are going to go into this lovely pot of amazing oils. So just bear with me while I put these in. So I'm going to put 5 of each. They're coming out a bit slowly. You get the picture. 5 drops of oil in each. And then we're going to give it a stir. That's coming out quickly, that one. And frankincense. And then we're going to give it a little stir. Hope you can see that. I totally forgot to fill up my little pot here. So I'm just going to use a spoon and just fill up my little silver metal pot. I'm going to take this on holiday with me. This also makes great presents, great Christmas presents, great little gifts. So I'm just going to let that cool down. Okay, hope that's been useful, and check out the recipe in the post. All right, see ya, bye.